Now let's see the magnetic lasso tool. Select the magnetic lasso tool. This tool is very useful to select the subject in the image by its edge. Just start by clicking on the edge of the dolphin and roll over the mouse on the dolphin's edge. The tool automatically detects the edge and selects the area as per your mouse movement. You can observe that even if your mouse pointer is slightly away from the edge, the selection gets snapped to the edge only. Here, the question is how far my mouse pointer can be from the edge to snap the edge. Turn your caps lock on. Now your mouse pointer is converted to a circle and a point is the center. This is the same tool with different appearance. The circle indicates the range and the center point is the marking edge point. The tool searches for the contrast edge within the circle and snaps to the edge. Smaller the circle, the tool can precisely select the edge. You can change the circle width and contrast from the option bar. But once you have started selecting the edge, it's difficult to change the option with the help of mouse. Of course, you can change both the options from the shortcuts on the keyboard. The square brackets will increase or decrease the circle width, whereas the dot and comma keys will increase or decrease the percentages for the contrast. Contrast also plays a role in the selection. Setting the higher contrast percentage will look for the higher color difference on the edge and avoid the lower color difference edges. So if you have a high color difference on the edge you want to select, like here we have, go for the higher contrast value. Press the escape to cancel the selection. When you have lower color differences on the edge, you should set the lower contrast value and lower circle width to select the edge precisely. You can see that as the selection proceeds, it creates points after a certain gap to hold the selection border. If you have smooth curve edges to select, you need less points to hold the selection border. But if you feel the gaps between 2 points are not enough for selecting the edge, you also can manually click and insert the point to hold the selection border. The other option to set the smaller gaps is higher frequency value on the option bar. But this we have to set before starting the selection. Over here, we have a very smooth curve of dolphin edge to select. So we can set the frequency to its default value or set it lower. We can also interchange the three of the lasso tools by pressing the Alt key. Start the selection with the magnetic lasso tool. Now press the Alt key and press the left mouse button. Dragging the mouse without releasing the mouse button and the Alt key will switch the tool to freehand lasso tool. Just clicking the points without leaving the Alt key will switch the tool to polygonal lasso tool. Now release the Alt key and click for once on the edge will switch the tool to magnetic lasso tool again. You need to practice for interchanging the tools during the selection process. Magnetic lasso tool can have different options combinations. You can set less width and lower contrast with higher frequency to select precisely with lower contrast edges. Or you can set bigger width and higher contrast with lower frequency for faster selection or higher contrast edges. You can save the preset for the existing options settings so that you can easily reset all the options with a single click. Go to the Tools preset. Click on the gear icon and select New Tool Preset. Give a suitable name like Higher Contrast Edges and save it. You can later on rename it or delete the existing preset. The feather and anti-alias options from the option bar work the same as we learned during the marquee tool. For smoother edges of the selection, we should keep the anti-alias option selected. Now let's talk about few relative questions. The first question is, what is the role of the Alter key while working with the lasso tools? The Alter key is used to remove areas from the existing selection as well as to interchange the lasso tools. We need to press and hold the Alter key after starting the selection process to interchange the tools. How to interchange the freehand lasso tool with polygonal lasso tool? First, you need to press and hold the Alter key after starting the selection process. Now if you drag the mouse after clicking, it will switch the tool to freehand lasso tool. And if you just click and release the mouse button, it will switch the lasso tool to polygonal lasso tool. The next question is, explain the width and contrast options for the magnetic lasso tool. Well, width option will increase the search range for contrast edges, whereas the contrast option is useful for selecting edges with higher or lower contrast. And the last question is, how can we undo the points created with polygonal lasso tool and magnetic lasso tool? The points created during both the tools can be removed by pressing the backspace key. It will remove a recent point each time we press the backspace key.